Welcome to all of you to Learn Technical. I am your host Adnan, and today we are conducting the session on A to Z shortcut key. Shortcut key will always reduce your time, and most of the professional people use shortcut key to enhance their productivity and skill towards the computer. This learning session is specially for young generation and kids, which are initially learning the computer skill. This learning is different from other videos, so please do not skip the session, and watch it till end. And if you are on first time on our channel, to please subscribe and press the bell notification on to get you notified for future session on time. This session will remember you a long time, and you are able to use Microsoft products as well, which really help you in your professional life, an easier way of learning. Normally A for Apple phone, but on system press Ctrl Plus A means selects all in the current document. B for Beatty no, on system press Ctrl Plus B means bold the selected text. C for cat shoes, it's not like that, press Ctrl Plus C means copies the selected text. For Donald Trump, press Ctrl Plus D means open dialog box. E for elephant, but on system press Ctrl Plus E means switch a paragraph between center and left alignment. F for fruits friends, on system it means press Ctrl Plus F displays the find dialog box to searching in the current document. G for Google, it's not like that, press Ctrl Plus G displays the go to dialog box to search for a specific location in the current document. H for Hangout, press Ctrl Plus H displays the replace dialog box. I for Italian, but on system press Ctrl Plus I italicize the select text. J for jump, it's not like that, press Ctrl Plus J switch a paragraph between justified and left alignment. K for killer whale, but on system press Ctrl Plus K create a hyperlink. L for London no, on system press Ctrl Plus L left align a paragraph. M for mango, most famous fruit in the world, but on system press Ctrl Plus M indent a paragraph from the left. N for notebook, press Ctrl Plus N create a new document. For open your mind, but on system mind is always open, press Ctrl Plus O open a new document. P for puzzle, it's not like that, press Ctrl Plus P print the document. R for right, yes you are absolutely right, press Ctrl Plus R switch the alignment of a paragraph between left and right. S for always save the work, but on system press Ctrl Plus S save your document. U for universal no, it means on system press Ctrl Plus U underline the selected text. V for village, press Ctrl Plus V pastes the copied item or text. X for X-ray, but on system it means Ctrl Plus X cut the selected item or text. Y for yarn, but it's mean Ctrl Plus Y redo the last action. Z zebra, oh it means Ctrl Plus Z undo the last action. Further, to bring into your knowledge that according to dialog box appeared on screen, if you did not need to use it, then press ESC button so you will get to return on your document. I hope you like this session, and if you like it, then press the like button, and thanks you.